Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something you probably can't see worth anything because, you know, darkness. With darkness comes light. It's a blue thing. Yeah. Just eat your ramen, bud. It's Frosty Production, of course. This is an 03 Honda Civic EX Coupe. Manual. And it sounds like trash, but I like it because it's like absolute 2000s.
Complete 2000s.
That door's lighter than I thought.
Very.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Oh yeah.
Rev it. Bring it up, bring it up.
I really hope.
And just to let you know, guys, I bought the car this way. I did not do this.
Yeah, but you absolutely love it.
No,
so it almost
honestly,
makes you as guilty.
It's honestly really embarrassing, because yesterday I was driving and I saw a Z and he looked at me like I had 10 heads and it was kind of embarrassing. Check engine light. That's for the O2 sensors because this car doesn't have a cap.
I'm a more of a dog person anyway, so.
Yeah, me too. I love my dog.
My dog's dead.
Alright, Jake, launch it. Stop. Launch it.
Oh, this car's coming. Come on now.
Oh my god.
Ba-da-ba-ba, there we go.
Was that better or worse?
That was way worse.
Really?
I couldn't see a thing.
Alright, launch it on this road. You have no cars. Stop, 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 stop. Put it in first.
There's a car right behind me.
No, do it. Ah. You know, with rice, you got some ramen.
Da-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-da-da-da.
Are we gonna launch it down here?
No,
What are you doing?
just turning around.
Oh.
Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-ba-ba.
You think it'll be a good winter car?
It should be, as long as you have tires and an engine.
Well, remember my last civil, and we call it a civil because my old Civic didn't have the C at the end. It was cut off and it was shaped as an L. So that's why we called it a civil. Here we go.
Clutch slipped.
Oh, good job, Jake. Wow, the lightning tonight is crazy.
You know, every time it happens, I think there's a cop behind me.
Yeah, me too. You think I need shocks?
I don't know yet. Definitely is on its way to needing them.
Yeah. VTEC. It's so loud. Symphony. Do it again.
Okay, that actually just make my leg go numb.
So other than the stupid exhaust that's on it, do you think it's a good buy?
I actually do, for $2,000, dude. This is probably, I said Alex's car was the worst car I've ever driven. This is actually better to drive.
Okay, I was gonna lose her. Oh yeah, give this GTI owner some tech. Boom. Well, what else clutch?
Hybrid.
There we go. It does not have a 6th gear.
Race mode. Wipers. Awful. I almost wish I didn't wipe. Come on, please, I can't see a thing. I can't see.
You know, it's even more funny, the high beams.
Why is this here?
Yeah, why is he high beaming you?
Not sure.
Well, it's Manchester. Look,
Yeah, they're on.
They're not even on.
Whoop, there we go.
So bad. But the shifts are smooth, right? Like, there's no grinding. The synchros feel good. It's so bad.
World's longest shift to second.
Oh my God. This video is gonna be the most viewed video on here.
If it is, I swear, there's something wrong with the YouTube viewing. Well, all right, we already knew that.
The algorithm is terrible. You've been doing really good though.
Not bad.
No, you have. You've been doing really good. Your subscriber count's been going up like crazy. Oh, that landing was cool. I mean, it's just like the same with Instagram, bro. Like, they're so different.
Whoa. Heel toe rev match. Here we
Did
go.
you actually? I tried already.
Yeah.
Ooh, I gotta work on that, Jake. I hope I can get this thing inspected.
Not with this exhaust.
Oh no, I know that. Tomorrow we're going to the junkyard to see if we can find a stock exhaust we can put on it.
Ready for this?
Wow! That lightning lit up the whole interior. Well, Jake, I'm honored that you got to drive the Civic. Version 2.
This is way better than version 1.
Yeah. Version 1 was an automatic.
But an automatic with this exhaust actually might be funnier.
Yeah, you're probably right. Did you even get did you show the viewers the interior on this thing?
I did with the light on. It was great.
Oh my God, dude, I mean, I don't really care for like light color interiors, but this don't look that bad.
Yeah, I can probably do that.
Okay, go ahead.
Race mode. Hey, get.
Come on. There it is.
Ba-da-da-da-da. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm in the grass. I'm on the grass. I'm going this way now. I'm going to stall it for the kicks of it. Backwards.
Perfect.
Boop.
Awesome.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not sure why you would want to. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can not see more cars like this. And thanks, Brady,
Yeah, no problem, bro.
for making my week.